Welcome to the video about closed captioning and audio transcripts by the Center for Teaching and Learning. This tutorial focuses primarily on closed captioning and transcript used for synchronized media delivered online. Captions are a great way to make content accessible to viewers who are hearing impaired. Captions open up your content to a larger audience, including deaf or hard of hearing viewers or those who speak languages besides the ones spoken in your video. USD provides several options for adding closed captioning to your videos automatically. Panopto and Zoom for live web conferencing, streaming, and lecture capture recording services are free to all faculty. Panopto does provide third-party integration for closed captions, and Zoom provides auto captioning. In all cases, the closed caption or transcript will need to be cleaned up before being posted online. In addition, all faculty have access to the free USD Google YouTube account with Video Creator Studio for publishing and sharing of videos and online courses. YouTube, Zoom, and Panopto all use speech recognition technology to automatically create closed captionings for your videos. Quality depends on how effectively the computer-generated algorithms are able to understand the words and convert them to text. In some cases, it is up to 95% accurate, but in most cases, it's only about 50 to 85% accurate. So you will need to go in and make edits to those captions to make sure that they meet the 99% accuracy minimum requirement. All videos not authored by yourself also need to have closed captioning before they are posted online. If you have third-party videos in your course which do not have closed captioning, you have a few options to consider. There are third-party transcription services for hire. They run anywhere from 50 cents per minute up to $1 per minute, depending on the turnaround time needed. These services are generally paid by the department. The Web Content Accessibility Guidelines, or WCAG 2.0, covers a wide range of recommendations for making web content more accessible, including closed captioning for synchronized video and transcripts for digital audio files. Successful principles require that output is perceivable, operable, understandable, and compatible for the end user. Following these principles will make content accessible to a wider range of people with disabilities. The objective of these success criteria is to provide a way for people who have hearing impairments or otherwise have trouble hearing the dialogue in synchronized media material to be able to view the material and see the dialogue and sounds. Captions should not be confused with subtitles. Subtitles provide text of only the dialogue and do not include important sounds, such as sound descriptions. This would be indicated by people clapping or maybe a horn honking in the background. These sound descriptions also need to be indicated in the closed captions in order to ensure that all users who are deaf can use their interactive educational materials successfully. The University of South Dakota provides captions and instructions for turning on captions for all online audio and interactive educational content. These two web content accessibility guidelines that you see here provide understanding of the requirements of the South Dakota Board of Regents standards for online courses as well as for USD Online. If you need assistance with closed captioning or transcripts, please contact the Center for Teaching and Learning. Thank you.